What is up, YouTube? Listen, I got both my babies here. I did a thing today. And we're gonna see how it goes. So I got a new spoiler. It's the OEM Style Spoiler. Came pre-painted from CARID. Their customer service is meh, but you probably knew that already. I'm going to attempt to put this on, and hopefully it goes well. I'm supposed to drill into the spoiler or into the trunk. I'm gonna do everything I can to see if I can put it on without drilling into the trunk. So this really won't be a hands-on video. It's more of a before and after, just because I'm going to be working through some of the mechanics of getting this put on. So I'll try to take some pictures throughout the process, and if I can record, I will. I just, I won't mess it up. So, all right, YouTube. What I'll be doing is I'm going to be putting some of this Adams surface prep on the spoiler in the trunk, just to make sure the high-level contaminants are off, but also cars recently been waxed and stuff like that. I'm going to be clearing that off with the surface prep. All right, so next, what I'm gonna be doing is removing these from the trunk. There's one here, 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 and one here. So I'll be pulling this off to get this piece out, because I gotta install the camera in the new spoiler. All right, so now I'm gonna pull this down. There we go. So pretty simple, that part. All right, here is one of the big steps. Now, there are definitely some retainer clips in here that I could not reach from under the trunk, and they're gonna have to just be charged to the end. Look how dirty this crap is, man. Look at that. That's pretty bad. So I'm gonna clean this up before I put anything else in play here, because it's filthy and there's no reason for me. I'm in here. There's no reason not to clean it. So I found some surface rust under the silver spoiler. Hit it with some touch-up paint and clear coat. It's good to go now. Listen, I made an executive decision. I am not going to drill into my trunk on this. I'm not. I'm gonna make sure it has some double-sided tape everywhere and everything's secured, but I am not drilling into my trunk. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it at all. That looks really good. That's a whole different situation. That's a whole different situation. This is actually a nice looking spoiler. Like the OEM look. I don't want nothing crazy. The only thing I can see is that there's some little pinholes in the clear coat. Guys, what I did was I plastered this thing with double-sided tape, 3M. All right, YouTube, a couple days later, yeah, I used that 3M on here. is solid, not going nowhere. So that's what I went with. I think it looks good. And looking at this, the camera here, that's definitely in there. Camera works fine. Everything's good. So just wanted to wrap the video up. I think it looks good. All right.